the way for innovators like us to have an impact is to identify new ways of communicating. And so we need to jump on the latest, kind of trends and identify them, well before they become mainstream. For example, one of the things we do that I'm very proud of, we are now running our own series of um, dinners, if you want, right? So we do. I'm in competition with Taylor Swift at the moment. So she did the Eras tour. We do the prediction tour. The prediction tour is 80 dates across the US where, we give a space for the local CISO community, 20, 35 of them, to have a conversation that I facilitate around AI in cybersecurity and cybersecurity for AI. And then, it's fascinating. I get to learn a lot. So it's free training for me. And then, at the end of that, we just give our perspective about it, from BforeAI, where we do not use generative AI, but rather prescriptive AI. And then, we have a very nice dinner together where we, continue to develop the relationship. And this is all self-produced, all handled by ourselves. It's a big work for the team. Similarly, LinkedIn, we talked earlier, I started, at the very beginning to funnel things in, and we tried new things. I'm running a podcast with women in cyber in Europe. So where I, interview outside of cyber topics, more about, leadership style and things like that. Those fantastic ladies. The team does fantastic on preparing, events like here, a Black Hat. Uh, and, so the critical thing is being involved. I think, we see more and more that the role of the founders and the role of the CEOs, even for larger companies, is becoming, they say people buy from people. Right? So, and they want to know what is the tenets behind the company, what is the philosophy, what is the why we're doing it, right? And so it's important to be part of it.